We are living in data age where we create more than 2.5 quintillion bytes of data on daily basis, and this is growing continuously. To meet the demand of this huge amount of data processing, database engines are evolving, and MongoDB is one of the most popular NoSQL database. Hi, I am Sudhir from Coding Freaks. Let's start a discussion by understanding the differences between MongoDB and a relational database. In a relational database, data is stored in the form of predefined schema called table, but a programming language does not store data in the form of tables, rather it has complex objects for storing data. This gap is called impedance mismatch. Let's assume a database of a person with their social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. To store this data, there must be 3 tables. One is for person detail, one is for social media, and third one is for mapping of person and social media account. In any programming language, there will be a variable for a person and a map for social media accounts. To access data from the relational database, a programmer needs to write a mapping layer or use an ORM tool. This mapping to table makes programmers stick with the structure, which in real world is not easy. Our object at one instance won't behave same as in another instance. MongoDB lets you overcome this impedance mismatch. It stores the data in the form of binary JSON called document, which can be very well related to the object. Since it has no schema, it lets you store any object without worrying about the mapping of it. The document can be as simple or as complex as your application requires. Since there is no schema in MongoDB, collection can have 2 completely different documents. We have used 2 terms, document and collection. Let's start with the document in MongoDB. A document is a record in which data is stored in the form of binary JSON, that is key value pairs. A value can be an integer, a string, or an array of these, or again an object having another JSON document. For example, a record of an applicant for an interview, which includes name, age, gender, contact number, email ID, qualification, experience. In this, qualification and experience are documents having more details of each of the degree in case of qualification, and in case of experience it has an array of documents having name of previous employer, year of experience, post held, CTC, etc. This is just an illustration. You may store any set of values depending on your business requirement of the application. MongoDB stores these documents in an entity called collection. You may assume a collection is table in relational database. In this video, you got a basic idea of what MongoDB is and how it is different from relational database. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up below and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any query, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you.